where you guys want to go? Welcome to the Nokia Lumia taxi. My name is Sam. What's yours?
What's up, Sam?
Ajay.
Reena. Risha.
Right now, you have a choice to make. You can either continue to your destination or roll the dice and go for an amazing experience, all courtesy of Nokia Lumia.
No, man, I can't.
Oh, that's difficult. But obviously no.
Sure, man.
Sure.
All you have to do is take the remote control and hit the enter button. Wow, you guys got the romantic dinner. Are you guys going for it?
Sure.
Yeah. We're going straight right now to Temple Bay, where I have a beachside table booked for you guys. All exclusive Nokia Lumia.
It means a lot because it tells you that from time to time you should do things like this to make realize what life's all about, and rather than getting into all, a routine, mundane life.
I still think, is it happening or just a dream?
Thank you, Nokia, for the amazing day.
Experience the amazing every day. New Nokia Lumia.